Good evening everyone. Today we are in the field with Vulleri Srinivas Garu, chili progress farmer from Pulpadu village. This farmer used our Primis Alpha 2 times, Steric P 2 times, Steric K 2 times and K plus 2 times and calcified also. So now we are taking the feedback from the farmer. So he was going to show you about the flowering, how was the crop and the flowering and the fruit setting we are going to see. Srinivas Garu, ఒకసారి flowering చూపించండి ఎలా ఉందో. So we can see the flowering. So there is no chance of the flowering drop also. Completely we can see no flowering drop, and we can see the fruit setting with a good quality of the fruit color, everything. And farmer saying there is no drop of flowering too, and all flower is converted into the chili. We can see healthy crop here. So number of fruits per plant also more. So all flowering is converting into the fruit, and the farmers are really happy about all the products from the Vadation Life Sciences. Thanks, Andy. Okay.